Hello guys, welcome back to Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel, and I am Manjit Rawat, your online instructor. So guys, as we discussed in our previous class, we are working over our AZ-104 certification. So this is our fourth class, and in this class I'm just going to describe you about remaining topic related to the Azure Active Directory Management. So as we know that we have already completed three different classes related to the content of AZ-104. We completed the part of creating user and managing group. We also did the activity related to the joining domain with our on-premises Windows 10 operating system. We did the part of Azure Ready Connect. So now we need to start to work with the new content. This is the managed role-based access control. You can also say that RBAC. So it's a really important content related to the administrator, because in this case you are able to manage the services or resources. You can say that subscription over Azure portal. Means it's really important for each and every administrator who handling the entire Azure portal as admin. So guys, we will discuss about the theoretical and practical part both by using my PageDugo account, and we'll also discuss about the theoretical part, why it is important and how we can proceed to start work with our RBAC. So guys, just start our practical. But before starting practical, if you are new on my YouTube channel or if you are new in my video, so please subscribe my channel, because once you subscribe you will be get a lot of video related to the different technologies like Amazon Web Services. You can find the video related to the AWS, Google Cloud, Mac operating system, and also if you are planning to if you are planning to be a Azure administrator, virtual engineer, so you can also find the video related to the virtualization like 6.5, VMware vSphere 6.0, 6.5, 6.7 as well. So guys, let's start our practical. So first of all, we just try to understand. It's a fourth session of AZ-104 course content, right? So in this class, in this session, we will discuss about the managed role-based access control. So just try to understand about the meaning of role-based access control. So I'm just going to open the directly portal, and also we'll try to understand about our role-based access control by using the MS Paint. So I'm just going to show you the actual meaning and actual task of role-based access control. So first of all, we need to log in our system, log in our Azure portal, and just try to understand about RABC. So this is the whiteboard. You can say that you can just realize this is your whiteboard, and I'm just going to describe about the meaning of role-based access control. So as we know that, as we discussed in our previous class, we have a lot of options available on Azure Active Directory. You can create a multiple user, you can create a multiple group, you can assign the different credential to your user. So role-based access control is a totally separate. It's a totally separate service of Azure portal, because with the help of this particular service, you are able to manage the user account, right? So user account, in the sense, I have a one small example. So for example, you are working as a Azure administrator for organization, right? And you are handling multiple tasks. You are handling a multiple task of clients. You are managing the multiple project. You are handling multiple clients. So, but unfortunately, you are unable. You're single person to handle the activity of Azure portal. But unfortunately, due to a lot of works, you need to hire someone who have a good idea related to the Azure portal. So, what you need to do, for example, you just make your team related to the. You can say that you are just making a team for 5 different candidates, 5 different engineers. All engineers know about the Azure services. So, what you need to do, you need to create a 5 different root account over Azure portal. You need to purchase 5 different subscription over Azure portal. No, you need to create a single Azure portal. You need to sign up. You need to purchase a single subscription over Azure portal, and with the help of role-based access control, you can distribute your role with different engineers. You can say that different guys who handling the Azure portal for same organization. So basically, with the help of role and role-based access management, as we know that we have already discussed about the subscription. So firstly, just try to understand about the subscription. We also know about the resource group, right? RG. And third option is related to the resources. So resources, in the sense, those types of services you are planning to purchase over Azure, like you are purchasing a virtual machine, you are creating your disk, managing the network activity. So these all are services count as a resources. So, for example, you purchase one resources, right? You created you sign up yourself with one resources, with name of you just need to sign up yourself over Azure portal. This is your Azure portal, okay? And you sign up, you subscribe one user with name of xyz@gmail.com. It's a just simple example. xyz@gmail.com is basically a username, and you just subscribe your Azure services by using the xyz@gmail.com. And now it means that xyz is basically a root account. You can say that xyz is a root account, right? And now you are planning to handle the same services of portal with multiple engineers, with multiple Azure engineers. So you need to create a user, like I'm going to create a user 1, user 2, and user 3, right? And you don't want to subscribe different you no need to purchase that different subscription for user 1 and user 2 and user 3. So what you need to do, you can associate your root subscription with multiple users. Like you purchase a one subscription with the help of root account, and you are planning to assign the role for your different Azure account. You can say that Azure users. So this is the part of subscription, means you can say that you can distribute the subscription with multiple user account. Those user account you created with the help of Azure Active Directory. Not only the subscription, you can also share your resource group. For example, ABC created one resource group with name of test, right? This is the container. As we know that meaning of test, the meaning of resource group is basically it's a kind of container that contain the multiple services. So the resource group name is test, and test contain multiple resources, like test contain virtual machine, storage, databases, and networking. Now you are planning to share the entire resource with different user. You are planning to share your test subscription test resource group, which is available in user 1. You are planning to share with user 2. So with the help of role based access management, role based access control, you can do that. So this is the meaning of sharing the resources with multiple users, sharing the subscription with multiple users. And final, we'll also discuss about the you can say that resources sharing. So by using the RBAC, you can share your resources as well. For example, you created a one virtual machine with the help of user 1. You created one virtual machine by using the user 1, and now you are planning to share the resource with user 2. You are planning to share the same virtual machine with user 2. The current location of your resources is user 1, but you are planning to share the same resource with user 3 or user 2. So I'm going to show you the entire practical how we can do that. Just a basic and theoretical information related to the RBAC, and we will discuss these types of part. Means we will share our resource with multiple accounts. We can share our resource group and share our resources as well. So I'm just going to open my Azure portal, and over a portal I'll show you the step how you can manage and configure. So this is my Azure portal, and over Azure I'm just going to show you from scratch what we need to do. First of all, we need to open the all services, go to the general tab, and over a general tab we have one of the important option that's called management group, right? So you can say that the management group is a place where we can manage the RBAC. Just click on the RBAC, just click on the management group, and you will be see you have a 3 different subscription available, and all subscriptions role are honor, right? So I'm planning to create a one more management group, and we just try to manage our management group as per our requirement, right? I'm planning to create a one resource group. I'm planning to assign the subscription to one of my user, one of my engineer, but unfortunately a company don't want to give access to entire services of portal. So you can say that we are just planning to design our customized roles for users. So what you need to do, first of all, I'm just going to open my add management group. So we have a 2 option: create new management group and use existing. So in this part, I'm just going to type the name of our management group. So like the name of management group is training GRP, right? And this is the group display name. So just type the name of display. It's just training, and click save. Okay. So this is from a scratch. Just try to understand about the work of this role-based access control. Okay, so once we created our management group, we will be move ourselves into the active directory, and over active directory we will create a one or two different users, and just try to share this subscription, try to share this management group with our users. So it will be take up to 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, fine, great. So our user is created successfully. Our training management group is created successfully. I'm just going to open it. Right, just click on the details, and if we're talking about details, so it's a level of our management group is the owner, right? We don't created another child group. So this is the tenant root group. So but I'm just going to assign this group to our users. So what we need to do, we need to open our Azure Active Directory. Go to the Azure Active Directory, click security, and this is the Active Directory, Azure Active Directory. So I'm just going to use my existing user. Okay. So just click on the users. So we have already created a multiple user as we discussed in our previous classes. So we have a one username. The username is training at the learningplace.in. So I'm just going to open it. In another wizard, just open portal.azure.com and try to log in our another user portal, Azure portal, by using the training. It's a portal.azure.com. Okay, so training at elearningplace.in. I'm going to log in it. Sorry. Training at the rate elearningplace.in. Just sign in. Unfortunately, I just forget the username, so I'm going to change it. Just open the virtual users property, click reset, and it will give you the new user password. So you just need to copy it, and I'm going to log in it again. Okay, no problem. Just refresh the page. Okay, just try to log in our user again that we created with training at elearningplace.in. Next, as we change the password, you need to type the new password. Need to change your current password. I'm going to use yes. Okay, fine. So we are successfully logged in our account with name of training at elearningplace.in, and but unfortunately is connected with my root account. No problem. I'm going to check it, the subscription type, which types of subscription it's contained currently. Just go to the all services and click subscription type. Unfortunately, you don't have any subscription because you just create a user account with the help of Azure Active Directory, and you want to assign the same user and password with your new engineers that you hired for the Azure technology. So what I'm going to do, so as you know that with the help of this particular user account, you are unable to create any resources. You are unable to create your resource group. You are unable to create your virtual machine or all, right? So I'm just going to try it. Okay. I'm going to create a one virtual machine and see, are you able to log in it, are you able to create it or not. So just click on the compute and go to the virtual machine. And but unfortunately you need to subscribe yourself. Display you can proceed with 200 dollar. You need to subscribe yourself. This is another option. Manage active directory. This is another one more option. Access user benefits, sorry, student benefits. So we are planning to provide that tenant from our root account. We are just try to make training as a part of root. So what we need to do, we need to use our role based access control. So here we are planning to share our subscription with your user account. So what you need to do, just click on the general tab and open your subscription. Not subscription, sorry. We are planning to make it customized, and just click on the management group. So we have already created a one tenant with name of management group with name of training. So you just need to type it. Okay, but unfortunately your management group cannot contain any kind of subscription. So what you need to do, you need to open your subscription type, right? And over a subscription type you need to select your one subscription, like this is my subscription, and we have a one option, right, IAM. So just click here, and what you want to provide, what you want to make, you are planning to share this subscription with your user account or your management group as well. Clear? So what you need to do, I'm just going to click on the add. Basically just click on the add, choose the first option, add role assignment, and it give you the option what you want to make. This is the role type, what you want to make. Like you have a lot of options, like you want to make owner, contributor, reader, right, and global administrator. Lot of options are available if you're talking about the so backup reader. So we have a lot of options as per your requirement. Like global administrator is also available. But here I'm planning to make honor. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the one practical. So I just want to make the honor to our training account. So what we need to do, you need to provide the name of your user account. So this is the training at elearningplace.in. You just select and click save. Clear? You just assign a role from your pay-as-you-go account and just want to distribute the same subscription with your another account that you created with the help of Azure Active Directory. So successfully provided by the root account. So what we need to do, I'm just going to refresh the page again. If required, you can also relog in your user account. And just click on the subscription type for the verification only. I'm just going to click on the subscription and check you have a one subscription and your role is owner. And see, this is the billing also. So this is my another user account that I created with the help of Azure Active Directory. And see, this is our own portal. This is our root portal that contains 3 different types of subscription. Now you share your tenant with another user account that you created with the Azure Active Directory. Now this user, you can say that this particular user training at elearningplace.in is able to create any resources. You want to create a virtual machine, you can. If you want to configure your storage account, networking, databases, each and everything you can manage. I'm going to proceed with create virtual machine. Okay, and just try to understand we are able to do that or not. So see, each and every options available. You can also create your new resource group. You can select an existing resource group that created by the root account, or you want to create your own. You can do that. I'm just going to create a new. Just training the name of resource group. Just test telnet. Okay. So the resource group name is telnet. Create. And now type the virtual machine name. So I'm going to proceed with name of web and select the location where you want to create your virtual machine. Just going to proceed with server 2012. Select the configuration, how much the RAM and CPU want to configure. So I'm going to proceed with 2 gig of RAM, right, and 1 core of CPU. Just type the name of your user and password that you are planning to configure for virtual machine, like this. Okay. Okay, fine. Now we just need to proceed with 3389. So 3389 is basically a RDP port. Means with the help of this particular port, you are able to access your virtual machine from outside the network with the help of internet connection. No need to do anything. I'm not making any changes with networking and management. We just try to understand our role is working or not. That's it. So I just want to check we are able to create our virtual machine or not. It's just validating. If it is validated successfully, it means that we are able to create our virtual machine by using the new Azure Active Directory user account, by using the option, by using the service of our role-based access control, RBAC. Okay, it's just validating, and we are able to see validation is passed, right? Means you just need to click on the create and you will be get your virtual machine within 5 minutes. So it means that we, with the help of RABC, with the help of role based access control, you can share your subscription. Not only the subscription, you can share your resource group and you can share your resources as well. So this is the first part of this particular topic. So we will discuss more about the resource groups sharing and resource sharing in next video. So I hope you understand about the steps. I hope you understand about the meaning of role-based access control. So guys, we will meet next session. Thank you so much for watching and keep learning. Thank you.